The concept of minimizing income tax through legal means has been a topic of discussion for many Americans, driven by a desire to retain more of their hard-earned income. While it's essential for citizens to fulfill their civic duties, the debate centers on the ethical implications and the responsibility individuals have to navigate the tax code efficiently. Understanding the tax code. The U.S. tax code is known for its complexity, providing numerous deductions, credits, and incentives. Given the intricate nature of tax laws, it is every American's responsibility to understand the tax code to ensure compliance and to take advantage of legal opportunities for tax minimization. Financial prudence. Advocates of legal tax minimization argue that it aligns with principles of financial prudence. Individuals, they contend, have a responsibility to manage their finances wisely and make informed decisions to secure their financial future. Utilizing legal means to minimize tax liabilities can contribute to a more stable and secure financial position. Support for economic growth. Legal tax minimization can stimulate economic growth. By allowing individuals to retain more of their income, they can invest, spend, and contribute to economic activities that drive prosperity. This perspective views tax minimization as a way to empower individuals to be active participants in economic development. Ethical considerations. The ethical dimensions of tax minimization often hinge on the perception of fairness. Some contend that it is ethical for individuals to leverage legal means to minimize taxes, as it is a responsible exercise of financial autonomy within the bounds of the law. Others, however, argue that a collective commitment to the common good may warrant a more generous contribution to public funds. Legal obligations versus ethical considerations. While every American has a legal obligation to pay taxes, the ethical considerations of tax minimization depend on individual perspectives. Those advocating for tax minimization argue that it is within the bounds of the law, while critics may emphasize the societal responsibilities tied to contributing to public goods and services. Advocacy for tax reform. Engaging in legal tax minimization can be seen as a form of advocacy for tax reform. By actively participating in legal means to reduce tax burdens, individuals may highlight inefficiencies or inequities within the tax system, contributing to a broader conversation about the need for reform and simplification. The debate over whether it is every American's duty to avoid paying income tax through legal means reflects a complex intersection of financial prudence, ethical considerations, and advocacy for a fair and transparent tax system. While navigating the tax code to minimize liabilities within legal bounds is seen by some as a responsible exercise of financial autonomy, others argue for a more collective sense of duty to contribute generously to support public goods. As discussions on tax policy continue, the ethical landscape surrounding legal tax minimization will likely remain a subject of ongoing reflection and debate among citizens and policymakers alike.